Sablaon to Abonete. Passes it to Almario. The lob inside! And the finish! Alley-oop play to Abonete. And Camsur now up by 4. Can. Tikas looking to respond. Can. Outside to Ganya. Bragais has it. 3 to shoot. Bragais for 3. Air ball. And Camsur now with the... Camsur looking to extend the lead on the road. Almario approaching the 5-minute mark of Game 5. Ariate wants the screen. 3-point shot by Ariate! He knocks down the 3! And Camsur has increased the lead to 7 points. And Ariate, the hero of their semi-final series against Taguig, knocking down an important 3 here in Game 5. Watch it again, a high looping 3 by Medwin Ariate, and Camsur to answer. You can hear the defense chants. That's from the Camsur fans. They go inside, turnover by Bragais. Almario against Bragais. He loses it. And here's Bragais. Bragais to the goal. Bragais is hacked. Foul on Ariate. Bragais nails that free throw, stopping that brief 5-0 run by Camsur. And Manalang with a steal. The drop pass. Santos for 2. And Tikas sa Kapampangan able to score quickly. Down to a 4-point lead. Abonete. Santos to beat. And Camsur gets an opportunity as Almario scoring on the running shot. 6-point game. Closing in on 4 minutes. Here in Game 5, Santos fakes the 3, hands it up to Can. Can with this drive against Sablaon. No go on the layup. And Abonete clears. Vincent Malyape has it. Ariate setting a play for Camsur. Abonete to Almario. Shot clock at 9. Almario being pressured by Bragais. Almario outside. Bad pass. Their front court. Being guarded by Ariate. Crossover by Manalang. The drive inside. Overshoots it. Camsur with the rebound. And now Ariate will set things up for Camsur. Tikas missing on their shots late in this ball game. Magpantay against Bragais. 10 on the shot clock. Abonete against Santos. Abonete fires this 3-point shot. Overshoots it. And a steal by Camsur. And a counter. Can on the attack. He falls down. And now Manalang loses it. Ariate. Tikas careless at the ball. Here's Sablaon. Short. And here comes Tikas. Wild sequence here. Manalang outside to Bragais. Bragais will set things up for Tikas. They trail by 6. Bragais attacks. Kicks it out. Manalang wide open. For 3. And now Tikas down by 3 after that huge 3 by Manalang. Listen to the fans. Abonete loses it. It's going to be Camsur ball with 5 on the shot clock.
Was unsuccessful. Last touch on Migo Santos.
So an unsuccessful challenge. The drive by Abonete, and then he will kick this ball out. And from that angle, looks like it was indeed swiped by Santos. So based from that, No one touched it. So there was a prior shot clock. Ariate will inbound. Magpantay. 3 to shoot. Magpantay pulls up. It bounces out. Long rebound and it's going to be Kamsur ball. Offensive rebound. Another chance for Kamsur to extend the lead. 5 on the shot clock. Borbe has it. 2 to shoot. Borbe from the outside. And the rebound by Ganya. And there's a push. And it's going to be 2 free throws, I believe. Kamsur with a foul. A free three. If he scores this one, it is going to be a tied ball game. And we have seen Ganya hit his free threes. Crucial call here. Ganya will opt for a free three to tie the ball game up. Ganya, free three is good! We are tied. Kamsur looking to answer. Magpantay has it. Crosses the timeline. He falls down. But there's this free three, a brave free three by CJ Ganya, the former NBL. Ariate has it. Guarded by Manalang. 10 on the shot clock. They go to Abonete. Pass. Almario wide open. For three! Kamsur with a huge one. As Jerome Almario knocks down a three to break the tie. Can looking to answer. No go. And Abonete with the rebound. Kamsur has it. Here's Ariate. Double teamed. Ariate, 8-second violation. Turnover for Kamsur. Last second pass by Abonete. And Almario, who again did not play in game 4, knocking down that three. Can still tie this game with a three. And Magpantay with a steal. The forward pass taken right back by Victoria. This is for the tie. Too strong. And Borbe with the rebound. And our turnover. 45 seconds. The ball goes to Bragais. Bragais one-on-one against Almario. Bragais still has it. Fade away, 3-point shot, does not fall. Battle for the rebound. The tip won't work. Kamsur has it. And there is going to be a foul on Tikas. With 33 seconds. Ariate first free throw. It goes in. The second free throw. No go. And Bragais secures the rebound. Tikas. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Can for three. Lancer Can. The lead is down to 1 with 24 seconds left. And Kamsur has called for this timeout. Tikas still very much alive here in game 5. Look at this three, contested three by Verman. Magpantay, but Can finding a way to knock it down. Almario the inbounder, passes it to Ariate. Ariate escapes the defense, bounce pass, Sablaon, Abonete, no foul. They go to the corner, Magpantay. Brock winding down, Almario still has the ball. Coach Jeff Chan wants a foul. And there's the foul. Almario will shoot a pair with 7 seconds left. Almario looking to escape. And finally the foul by Lancer Can with 7.5 seconds. No good in the first. Almario hearing it from this crowd. He knocks it down. And Coach Jeff Chan has requested for a timeout with 7. Passes it to Victoria. Victoria with 5 on the clock. Bragais still with the ball. Can for the championship. Too strong. Bragais throws it up. It's over. It's over. It's over. For the first time, Kamsur, an NBL champion. The Express have won it on the road. Again, for the first time, teams in 2018, the Kamsur Express have finally won it all. Earned championship. What a road for the Kamsur Express. Jerome Almario with that huge three-point shot. As the confetti has fallen here, and again, we have to emphasize this. This is the first